What are you doing, Ava? Look at that belly. Hey, Ava. Where's Ava? Ava Jean. There she is. What are you doing? You sitting in the sun playing with your ball. Hi, Booby. Come here. Come and get the camera. Look at those lips. So focused. So focused. Hard at work. Hi, Pumpkin. You look pretty in the buff. Yeah, you do. Look at your little boobies. Aww. Can you crawl? See, not really, but I'll try. You're doing it! She's crawling! You just did it! She went 3 steps in a row. I got it on camera. My God, you're a miracle, baby. I got her rolling over and crawling for the first time on camera. You're the best baby in the world. Oh, you can do your army crawl all day, but I got that. She did like 3 or 4 steps.
Hey, beautiful.
She did. Did you see?
Yes, I saw.
Look at
Here it goes.
Move forward. Oh. Oh my goodness. Ava, you are so precious. Come here. Come here. Is that mommy so silly, Daddy? Oh my. She's doing it.
Ava.
It's like she got the hang of it. Now she's just going. Dita! Oh God, we're in trouble now. We're in trouble now. Look at that belly. Oh my. She's going. She is doing it.
You're doing it. Come on.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Funny noises. Oh.
Get on those knees. Get up on those knees. Oh. There she is. Go, go, go. You did a couple. Come on. Go forward. Good girl. Oh, Boo. I'm so proud of you. You're such a big girl. You're so big.
So big.
That sounds like the horn on a boat when he does it. Like,
so big.
Your voice is so deep. Look at that.
Well, there you go. Big girl.
Go,
Big girl.
go. Oh, Tita, I'm so proud of you. You're so big. So big. She did it. I got it on